Different projectors are designed for different uses, and they can range in price from a couple $100s to well into the 5-figure range. Choosing the right model for your needs can be a daunting task. There's a huge difference in price and performance between a 4K projector designed for a big screen home theater and a portable mini projector designed to be an everyday TV replacement. So in today's video, we're going to show you the top 5 best projectors you should buy. But before starting the video, be sure to subscribe to never miss out on any of our videos. Number 5. Wemax Go ALPD Laser Projector. The Wemax Go is a new smart laser projector rated to throw an image of up to 120 inches in diagonal length with auto keystone correction and a smart OS for content management. The Wemax Go is a DLP projector rated to throw an up to 120-inch image with HDR support and a maximum brightness of 600 ANSI lumens. However, unlike most products with such specs, it's also designed to be just 1 inch in height. It's powered by a Texas Instruments DLP chipset and has an inbuilt battery for cable-free operation. Wemax also asserts that it has packed ALPD technology for more cinema-like projection using the potentially pocket-sized device. The startup also claims that it can get up to 200% brighter than anything else of its size, even without blackout curtains. The Wemax Go is also slated to have USB Type-C support, which is present to allow the projector to run off a power bank. Number 4. ViewSonic M2 1080p Portable Projector. Ideal for business travelers on the go, the ViewSonic M2 Portable Full HD LED projector delivers power and performance in a portable package. Compact and lightweight, the ViewSonic M2 can be carried from office to office or slipped into a briefcase or backpack and taken on the road. For convenient presentations and content sharing, a wireless screen mirroring feature allows users to easily cast content from a mobile device to a projector. The M2 projector features a shorter throw lens that can display large images in small spaces, while its LED light source provides over 30,000 hours of usage time and 1200 lumens of brightness. An adjustable kickstand design delivers a simple and quick setup for easy projection in nearly any environment. An integrated microSD card slot and USB Type-A reader port allow users to display documents, videos, and other multimedia without having to connect to a PC. And for fast data, audio, video, and charging over a single cable, there is a USB Type-C port equipped with an HDMI 2 port. This projector is perfect for connecting to any HDMI-enabled device and can display 3D images directly from 3D Blu-ray players. Number 3. ViewSonic Home Entertainment Projectors. Enjoy bright images in most home and office environments with the ViewSonic PX701HD 3500 lumen Full HD Home Theater and Office DLP projector. Its 3500 lumens of brightness can overcome ambient light in most home and office situations, and the 1080p native resolution is suitable for displaying most video sources. The projector features a 1.5 to 1.65 ratio 1 throw ratio, 1.1 times optical zoom, and vertical lens shift to provide enhanced installation flexibility. The PX701HD has 2 HDMI inputs for connecting digital high-definition sources such as Blu-ray disc players and HD cable satellite boxes. It also has a VGA input for analog sources, analog audio input and output, and an onboard 10-watt speaker ensure that audio accompanies your video. The projector includes an IR remote control and a VGA cable as an added convenience. With 3500 lumens and a high dynamic contrast ratio, this projector produces bright images in nearly any environment. An energy-saving Super Eco feature reduces power consumption and extends the lamp life to up to 20,000 hours. This vertical lens features allows up and down adjustments of the projector lens to provide flexible projector placement for challenging installations. Number 2. Optoma UHL55 4K LED Smart Projector. The Optoma UHL55 employs an RGB LED engine as opposed to a traditional lamp. The light output is rated at 1500 ANSI lumens, and the engine has a half-life of up to 30,000 hours. The LEDs allow the projector to turn on relatively quickly in comparison to lamp projectors. It can take as little as 23 seconds to get a picture on screen from the projector being off. The lens has an integrated cover that is controlled by a lever on the top of the projector. Sliding the lever to the open position also turns the projector on. Next to the lens cover lever are button controls for focus, volume, and to select audio mode or turn the projector off. As with most budget 4K DLP projectors, the UHL55 uses a second-generation 0.47-inch Texas Instruments DLP chip with XPR technology to achieve the full pixel count required for UHD video. The UHL55 is a fixed zoom projector with a throw ratio of 1.2. Number 1. Epson PowerLite L500W laser projector. The compact, affordable PowerLite L500W laser projector delivers powerful performance for education and business applications. Enjoy bright, vibrant images with the Epson PowerLite L500W 5000 lumen WXGA 3 LCD laser projector. Its 5000 lumens of brightness combined with its 2.5 million ratio 1 dynamic contrast ratio will help it overcome ambient light in many situations and retain detail in dark areas of the image without compromising overall brightness. Compatible with PJ-Link Class 2 AMX device discovery, Crestron integrated partner, Crestron connected, Extron IP-Link, Extron XTP, and control for simple device discovery protocol for simplified access and maintenance, 360-degree flexibility with geometric correction tools such as horizontal and vertical keystone, arc correction, quick corner, and more. This was all for today. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit the bell icon for more updates and notifications. Stay safe, and we'll be back soon with another video.